Have you ever gone to use your camp oven only to find it's covered in rust? Today, I'm going to talk you through how to ensure that you prevent this from happening next time you go to use your camp oven. First, you want to make sure your oven is clean and dry, and then using some paper towel and some oil just to smear it all over your oven so it's got a nice thin layer protecting it from surface rust. Next, you want to get yourself a camp oven bag from places online like Snowy's or Tent World or at your local camping store. The one I have here is from Campfire. It's made of heavy duty canvas, it has padded walls and reinforced handles to ensure your oven is protected. Now place your camp oven inside of the bag, zip it up and store it somewhere dry, ready for your next camp oven hookup. As an extra safety precaution, I like to put a strap around the camp oven to ensure it doesn't bounce around in the back of the car when you go camping. If you're looking for camp oven recipes, make sure you check out my website. I have over 50 for you to choose from, sure to satisfy any appetite. Happy cooking, I'm Mick, the Camp Oven Cook. You'll want to place it in the camp oven bag, and yes, I've done it again. And I just keep talking and keep trying to follow my script, and I mumble really bad. Anyway guys, if you stayed this long, make sure you like and subscribe my video and follow me on social media.